In this video, I'll show you how to disable and enable your Steam overlay. Okay, come here at the top left, click on Steam. Then what I want you to do is access the settings. Okay, go ahead and click on this option. So then open up your settings. I want you to scroll down and I want you to click on the in-game section. Now here you see the option to enable or disable Steam overlay while in game. You just need to toggle this one. So if I toggle this one on, it's enabled. If I toggle it off, it's disabled. And let me also show you one other thing. You can do this for specific games as well. So if I go ahead and close this, all right, come to your Steam library, then just right click on any specific game. Let's do Hero Zero. I right click this, click on properties, and then under general, you see the enable Steam overlay while in game. I can toggle this one off if I want. And it's really that easy and simple.